Method 1. Click on Windows search bar, type Control Panel, click and open it. Here at top right corner we have an option View By. Click on it and select small icon. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Here we have connection. Select your connection type. Click on Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now select Use the following DNS server. Type 8888. Alternative DNS server 8844. Click on OK and close it. Method 2. Search CMD on desktop search bar. Click on Run as administrator. Now type carefully one by one. Type ipconfig /release, hit enter. Type ipconfig /flush DNS, hit enter. Type ipconfig /renew, hit enter. Type netshint IP reset, enter. Type netsh winsock reset, click enter and exit. That's it. Thanks for watching.